दैट्स द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई हैव गॉट टू नो। पहली चीज तो मुझे ये बताओ कि वो जो 1958 की बात है, तो उस समय आप कलकत्ता में कहाँ थे? ओके, वो दिनेश से पूछना चाह रहा था। हु? विपिन बाबू। ओके, वेट जस्ट अ मिनट। Dinesh is saying, wait, just a minute. 58. Just let me check in my diary. So he's saying, just let me check my diary. I will check my diary, then I will tell you. Okay. For a minute there was a silence. For a minute there was a silence. Meanwhile he was checking his diary. There was a silence. Okay. And Dinesh was okay because he met a ghost, a person whose name was Ghosh. He said that you were in the Ranchi and you were used to do that. उसने बहुत सारी चीजें बताई उसके बारे में, और ये सब चीजें सुनने के बाद इसको लगा बापू को कि विपिन को कि मैं तो कभी रांची गया नहीं, मेरे साथ ऐसी कुछ भी घटना कभी जीवन में नहीं हुई, तो फिर ये ऐसा क्यों बोल रहा है? तो उसके दिमाग में डाउट क्रिएट हो रहा था। ठीक है, वो डाउट को क्लियर करने के लिए उसने अपने फ्रेंड दिनेश को कॉल किया। ठीक है, कि भाई बताओ क्या बात है कि मैं क्या उस समय रांची गया था, क्या तुम्हें कुछ याद है? मुझे तो कुछ नहीं याद है। मतलब इसने बोला, विपिन ने बोला मुझे कुछ नहीं याद है, तुम्हें याद है कुछ? ओके, तो ही इज आस्किंग टू दिनेश। ओके, विपिन इज आस्किंग टू दिनेश। अंडरस्टूड? For a minute there was silence. Bipin Babu could feel that his heartbeat had gone up. Now his heartbeat has gone up. Means he was getting nervous that what the reply he is going to give. वो बहुत नर्वस था, उसको लगा देखते दिनेश क्या बोलेगा। हाँ, he was sweating a little. मुझे पसीना आ रहा था। He was as much nervous that he was sweating. Okay, hello. Again he said, Bipin, hello. I have got it. I have been out twice. He said, Dinesh has said yes. I have been out twice. मैं वहाँ पे 2 बार गया हूँ। Where? He is saying where? Once in February nearby to Krishnagar to Neptune's wedding, and then but you don't know about this one. इसने कहा हाँ हम लोग तो गए हैं वहाँ पे, रांची गए हैं और एक बार कृष्णनगर में गए, एक बार ये गए हो। ठीक है, बट यू डोंट नो अबाउट दिस, तुम्हें नहीं पता क्या? The trip to Ranchi, he is saying, Dinesh is saying क्या तुम्हें रांची के बारे में नहीं पता? You were there too. आप तुम भी तो वहीं पे थे। You were there too. That all. But what's all this sweating about? इसने बोला अच्छा। Okay, what is sweating? Investigating an event. Okay. तो उसने कहा वो तो ठीक है, पर तुम ये पूछ क्यों रहे हो? Why you are asking this? When you were there, then why you are asking? Why you are having doubt? Dinesh is asking why you are having doubt. You were there at Ranchi. I was there with you. He is confirming that हाँ तुम रांची में थे. Okay. No, I just wanted to. Anyway, thanks. He बोले no, just I wanted to know. Anyway, thanks. उसने फोन काट दिया। ओके, बोला बस ऐसे ही पता करना था मुझे, कोई बात नहीं भाई, धन्यवाद, थैंक्स। Bipin Babu slammed the receiver down and gripped his head with his hand. He slammed मीन्स गुस्से से उसने मोबाइल को क्या किया, फेंक दिया। स्लैम्ड किया मतलब एंड ग्रिप्ड हिज हेड विथ हिज हैंड, एंड अपना हाथ पकड़ लिया, अपने हाथ से मतलब सर पकड़ लिया हाथ से। ओके, ही फेल्ट हिज हेड स्विमिंग, he is felt his head is swimming, his head is swimming means he is in tension. Okay, a chill seems to spread over his body. A chill means he was thinking about, मतलब he was very nervous, he was in tension. Okay, a chill seems to spread over his body, मतलब ठंडक, कुछ ठंड सा लग रहा था, है ना। जब कभी आप नर्वस हो जाते हो तो आपको ठंड लगने लगती है, कभी गर्मी लगने लगती है, नहीं? So this type of thing happened. There were sandwiches in his tiffin box. He had some sandwiches in his tiffin box, but he didn't eat them. He had lost his appetite. और उसकी भूख मर चुकी थी। ये सब चीजें ये सुनने के बाद क्या हुआ था? He has lost his appetite. What is the meaning of appetite? Yes, strong desire. Strong desire means प्रबल इच्छा। स्ट्रॉन्ग डिजायर मीन्स प्रबल इच्छा, किस चीज की? डिजायर होना, किस चीज की? इच्छा होना। ओके, वेल तो क्या हुआ? ये सब बात सुनने के बाद उसकी भूख भी क्या हुआ? मर गई। ही हैड लॉस्ट हिज एपेटाइट। ओके, ही हैड लॉस्ट appetite. Okay, appetite. What is the meaning of this appetite? What is the meaning of appetite? No. Appetite means bhook. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So the whole sentence, the meaning of whole sentence is उसकी भूख ही मर गई. He had lost his appetite. वो उसकी भूख मर गई है ना? उसने अपनी भूख खो दी है ना? He had lost his appetite. Understood everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now let's do some comprehensions. Okay? So far you have understood?
Yes.
Okay? Let's start. First question. Why did Bipin Babu worry about what Parimal Ghosh had said? Raise your hand. So he tried to decide who was right, his memory or Parimal Ghosh. So how did he decide that who was right? Yes?
Sir, he called to Dinesh and Dinesh checked in diary.
Yes. He called to Dinesh and Dinesh confirmed that yes, you were in Ranchi. Okay.
In 1958.
Or memory Parimal Ghosh. Okay, sit down. Yes, you.
So he tried to decide who was right. He called to Dinesh and then Dinesh checked in his diary that 58 accident and then he told it.
Then he confirmed that you were there at Ranchi. Okay, sit down. Third question. Why did Bipin Babu hesitate to visit Mr. Mukherjee? Why did he finally decided to phone him? Who is Mukherjee? Who was Mukherjee? भूल गए मुखर्जी के बारे में? हाँ, दिनेश. His name is Dinesh Mukherjee. I think the same.
Yes, sir.
Dinesh Mukherjee. Okay. So I also forget it. I remember the name Dinesh. Who is Mukherjee? Okay. So what is the question? Why did Bipin Babu hesitate to visit Mr. Mukherjee? Why did he finally decided to phone? तो वो उसके घर जाने से क्यों hesitate कर रहा था और सीधे फोन करने को क्यों सोचा? बताइए. Yes.
Sir, he think that Mr. Mukherjee felt that he was crazy.
Okay. That's why he refuses to go there. Instead, he wanted to confirm by phone. Okay. Yes, you.
Bipin Babu was hesitating because he has a lapse of memory about that accident. So he finally decided to call.
Okay, sit down. Next question. What did Mr. Mukherjee say? Did he comfort Bipin Babu or add to his worries? Yes.
So Mukherjee said that he had a lapse of memory. He has forget that accident. It is accident, and he made Bipin Babu worry.
हाँ, he adds more worries to Bipin Babu है. उसने और भी उसको चिंता में डाल दिया. Okay. Yes.
Sir, I also seen this.
No, just say same this word. Just try to speak. Everyone wants to say the same thing, but they have to express the. Yes. Why did Bipin Babu hesitate? What was the question? What did Mr. Mukherjee says? Did it comfort Bipin Babu or add to his worries?
Sir, Mukherjee says Mr. Mukherjee said that he was in Ranchi in that in 1958. So Mr. Bipin Babu was hesitant.
हाँ, it added his tension. Okay, or worries.
Yes.
Okay.
So
Added to his worries. Okay. Mr. Mukherjee added to his worries. Okay. Sit down. Now proceed. We are proceeding. Okay. आगे बढ़ते हैं. ठीक है. After a lunch time, Bipin Babu realized that he could not possibly carry on sitting on his desk and working. So after lunch, what he was realizing that he was not comfort, he was not easy, he was not able to concentrate on his work. वो अपने काम पे concentrate नहीं कर पा रहा था. उसके दिमाग में वही सब चल रहा था. All sort of things that how could I forget those things? तो He was not concentrating at all. This had never happened in the 25 years he had been with the firm. और अभी तक के 25 साल के करियर में ये कभी नहीं हुआ था. This had never been happened in this 25 years. Okay. He had a reputation of being a tireless, conscientious worker. Okay. So what reputation he have? Tireless. पहला था कि वो बिल्कुल टायरलेस काम करता था बिना थका हुआ, है ना. और सेकेंड पॉइंट क्या था? आई एम टेलिंग. Conscientious means careful and correct. He was very tireless. मतलब he works without getting tired. Yes. And the meaning of this is careful and correct. Okay. He was a very careful and correct worker. He was मतलब mistakes नहीं करता था वो. Okay. He never commit mistakes. But today his head was in a wheel. Today his वो बहुत ज्यादा घूम रहा था, बहुत ज्यादा कि ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है.
सर ये कैसे हो गया, मैं कैसे भूल गया.
How this could happen? Okay. Back home at 2:30. Back home at 2:30. कितने बजे आया? 2:30. Bipin Babu lay down in a bed and tried to gather his wits. Now he is trying to become calm. What is the meaning of gather his wits?
पुरानी चीजें याद करने की कोशिश.
Gather his wits. Yes. No. Gather his wits means trying to become calm, trying to become peace, because he was in tension. So he wanted that somehow I should get calm. Means tension should not be there. So he was trying to be calm. So that is the meaning of gathering his wits. Okay? Gathering his wits, trying to become calm. शांत रहने की कोशिश कर रहा था. Okay? He knew that it was possible to lose one's memory through an injury in the head. मतलब he knew कि it may be possible that a person should lose his memory, but he didn't know of a single instance of someone remembering everything except one particular incident. मतलब ये तो था कि उसे ये तो पता था कि ऐसा पॉसिबल है कि एक व्यक्ति अगर एक्सीडेंट हो जाए तो कुछ भूल सकता है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, अपनी मेमोरीज पुरानी पास्ट को भूल सकता है, लेकिन ऐसा कभी नहीं हो सकता कि वो सारी चीज याद रखे और एक इंसिडेंट कोई भूल जाए. ओके, समझ में आ रहा है? Are you getting me? So again I am repeating it. He knew that it was possible to lose one's memory through an injury in the head. Okay, but he didn't know of a single instance of someone remembering everything except one particular incident. Okay, मतलब एक पर्टिकुलर इंसिडेंट कोई ऐसा कभी घटना ही नहीं घटा कि कोई व्यक्ति एक ही घटना भूल जाए, बाकी सब याद है. ओके, तो इस तरह की घटना उसने कभी सुना ही नहीं. नेवर ही हैव हर्ड अबाउट दिस. एंड फेयरली रिसेंट एंड सिग्निफिकेंट वन एट दैट. एंड फेयरली रिसेंट और मतलब अभी रिसेंट में तो सुना ही नहीं. He had always wanted to go to Ranchi. और एक बात और, वो रांची जाना तो हमेशा चाहता था. To have gone there, done things and not to remember was something utterly impossible. मतलब according to him it was not possible. वो जाना चाहता था पर कभी गया नहीं था. At 7:30 now, अब क्या हुआ, 2:30 से 7:30 बज गया होगा. At 7:30 Bipin Babu's servant came and announced Chunni Babu sir says it's very important. Now Bipin Babu का सर्वेंट आया और उसने कहा, सर चुन्नी बाबू है, there is Chunni Babu wants to meet you. Okay? Bipin Babu knew that Chunni had come for Bipin Babu knew that Chunni Lal had come for. मतलब he was knowing the reason why Chunni Lal is coming there. No, he was not thinking. First servant came and said, sir चुन्नी लाल आया है ना. चुन्नी लाल उसका दोस्त था, तो लेकिन वो जानता था कि चुन्नी लाल क्यों आ रहा है. उसको पता था कि चुन्नी लाल का वही रोज का आना, तो रोज क्यों आता था उसको पता था. देखते क्या What is the purpose? He was knowing the purpose of Chunilal arrival. Let's see what is the purpose. Chunilal had been at school with him. Now narrator is saying Chunilal had been at school. He was his schoolmate. Chunilal was his school friend. Okay. He had been having a rough time lately and had been coming to see him about a job. तो चुन्नीलाल उसके यहाँ क्यों आता था? हमेशा जॉब की खोज में आता था कि मुझे ये यहाँ नौकरी दिलवा दो, मुझे वहाँ नौकरी दिलवा दो, मुझे कुछ मतलब जॉब के लिए आता था कि मुझे नौकरी दिलवा दो, इसीलिए रोज रोज आता था, परेशान करता था. ओके. तो बिपिन बाबू knew it was not possible to do anything for him. He know that it was not possible to do anything for him. उसके लिए कुछ भी नहीं किया जा सकता. उसको लगता था कि इसके पास वो टैलेंट ही नहीं जिसको मतलब जॉब दिलाया जा सके. इस टाइप. ओके. Like this. In fact, told him so times. He told him so time that I cannot help you. Okay. बहुत समय उसको बोल चुका कि हमें आपको मदद नहीं कर सकता. But Chunni kept turning up like a bad penny. But Chunni always was मतलब turning like a bad penny. What here meaning is given? Yes. Appearing at a place where one is not welcome means he always insisting. हमेशा फोर्स करता था, नहीं आप कोशिश करो, मुझे जॉब दिलाओ. अब वो जानता था बापू कि इसके लिए जॉब नहीं मिल सकता, ये तो इसके पास वो टैलेंट ही नहीं है. ओके. तो he always trying to insist Chunni that please offer me some job, please arrange some job for me. Bipin Babu sent a word that not only was it not possible for him to see Chunnis now, but not in several weeks. तो हमेशा नौकर से बोल दिया करता था कि ठीक है, उसको बोल दे कि मैं नहीं मिल पाऊंगा, अभी पॉसिबल नहीं है. और पिछले कई हफ्तों से यही होता था. जब चुन्नी आता था उसको नौकर को बोल देता था कि ठीक है, उसको बोल दो कि मैं नहीं मिल सकता, आई कैन नॉट मीट हिम. ओके. What is the meaning of pinning? अच्छा, bad penny. Okay. I'm taking. This. Appearing at a place where one is not welcome means penny means insisting, मतलब जिद पकड़ लेना. ठीक है. Is a bad penny. Penny
गंदी आदत.
हाँ बैड पेनी, बिल्कुल पकड़ के रखना, नहीं मुझे तो मतलब चाहिए ही चाहिए. He was a bad penny. ओके. जिद पकड़ लेता था, नहीं कि मुझे जॉब चाहिए ही चाहिए. इट इज ए मतलब फ्रेज whose whole meaning is that हाँ बिल्कुल जो इसके पीछे पड़ जाना कि नहीं मुझे काम दिलाओ, मुझे काम चाहिए ही चाहिए. ओके. सो दैट पर्सन इज कॉल्ड बैड पेनी. ओके. अंडरस्टूड. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि हर एक वर्ड की मीनिंग नहीं होती, मतलब एक टुगेदर जब होता है तो उसकी अलग मीनिंग निकलती है. ओके. Yes, it is a brown British wool. It may be. Where you have seen it? Okay. Right now. अच्छा ये तो okay. So good. Penny is a what is that? Brown British. Owl. What? Coin. Okay. Coin. हाँ तो bad penny means the coin which is meaningless. He is saying he is like a coin which is meaningless. Okay. खोटा सिक्का कह सकते हैं ना, आगे खोटा सिक्का है, कोई काम का नहीं है. ओके. हाँ तो from this the meaning has come. Okay. Penny. Bipin Babu has said about that no one was possible to see Chunni on the what now. मतलब बहुत हफ्तों से वही चीज बोल रहा था. So same thing he is telling to चुन्नी बाबू दैट और अपने सर्वेंट से बुलवाता था कि बोल दो मुझे नहीं मिलना. ओके. अंडरस्टूड एवरीबॉडी. But as soon as the servant stepped out of the room, it struck Bipin Babu that Chunni might remember the something about 58 trip. There was no harm in asking him. और जैसे ही इस बार नौकर वापस जाने लगा चुन्नी को बोलने के लिए कि आपको नहीं मिलना चाहते बिपिन बाबू, वैसे ही उसने नौकर को रोका. स्टॉप. उसको ये उसने ये सोचा कि क्यों ना इस चुन्नी से ही पूछ लिया जाए उस घटना के बारे में, और ये तो मुझे कितने दिनों से जान रहा है. कितने दिनों से जान रहा है, मेरा क्लासमेट भी रहा है, तो इसको तो पता ही होगा, तो इसी से क्यों ना कंफर्म कर लिया जाए, और इसकी मेमोरी भी अच्छी है ना, और इसी से कंफर्म कर लेते हैं तो इट विल बी बेटर. ओके. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir. Sir, sir. Sir, last day absent to sir हमें sir what
thriller books and all type of read. He was fond of doing those things. So what happened? When एक बार क्या हुआ, अपने घर से वो ऑफिस आ रहा था, तो रास्ते में उसको कौन मिला? घोष, परिमल घोष नाम का आदमी मिला। वो उसको काफी देर से घूर रहा था। ओके, he was constantly looking him. ओके, घूरे ही जा रहा था। तो उसने पूछा, भाई क्या बात है कि तुम मुझे जानते हो क्या, क्यों मुझे ऐसा देख रहे हो, व्हाई यू आर लुकिंग मी लाइक दिस? ओके, तो उसने कहा कि उसने एक रांची ट्रिप के बारे में बताया कि मैं आपने, उसने पहले पूछा विपिन ने कि मुझे जानते हो क्या, डू यू नो मी? तो उसने बोला हाँ मैं तो जानता हूँ तुम्हें। तो बोला, पर विपिन बोला मैं तो नहीं जानता तुमको। वो उसको बोला मैं तो नहीं जानता। तो बोला ऐसा कैसे कह सकते हो आप नहीं जानते, आप तो मेरे साथ कराची में थे। और वो yes, the incident of 1958, he also said that there was an incident in 1958, जो कोई फॉल था कलकत्ता में, कराची में, तो वहां से आप गिर गए थे। हाँ, उडो फॉल वाज देयर, तो वहां से आप गिर गए थे, तो आपको चोट लग गई थी। फिर वहां मैंने आपका इलाज करवाया था, आपका आईडी वगैरह दिया था और आपके लिए कार अरेंज की थी। ठीक है, ये सब घटना उसने मतलब बताई। he was confused that, और देखो उसको जो बापू था, विपिन बापू को सब कुछ याद था। कंपनी में अच्छे से काम करता था, पूरा बढ़िया काम करता था, लेकिन वो और सारी घटनाएं उसको याद थी बचपन की। लेकिन ये जो रांची की ट्रिप थी, जो घोष बता रहा था, हाँ, तो ये स्पेसिफिक जो इंसिडेंट वो भूल चुका था, उसको याद ही नहीं आ रहा था, वो कंफ्यूज हो रहा था। उसी डाउट को क्लियर करने के लिए वो क्या किया, उसने दिनेश को भी फोन किया, दिनेश मुखर्जी को भी फोन किया। दिनेश ने भी कंफर्म किया कि हाँ भाई ऐसा था, यू वर देयर। समझ, हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? द इंसिडेंट ऑफ 1958, अक्टूबर 1958। हाँ, तो वो उसी टाइम की बात। ओके, अंडरस्टूड? वेयर आई वाज, at which line? When the servant stepped out of the room, it struck Bipin Babu that Chunni might remember something about the 58 team. So he stopped his servant that he might remember the incident of 58. There was no harm in asking him. मतलब there was no harm of asking him. कि why we should ask him about that incident. Okay? कोई इसमें बुरी बात नहीं है, उसी से क्यों ना पूछ लिया जाए। Okay? Where is? हाँ, Bipin Babu hurried down the stairs and into the living room. Now he is hurried down. वो himself wake up and hurried down toward the stairs. खुद ही गया और उसके तरफ। चुन्नी was about to leave, और चुन्नी जाने ही वाला था, उसको रोका उसने। Okay? But seeing Bipin's Babu appeared, he turned round hopefully. और जैसे ही उसने बापू को देखा, वैसे ही वो मतलब जा रहा था, तो उसने टर्न किया बिपिन बाबू की तरफ। कौन? चुन्नी बाबू। ओके, अंडरस्टूड? Bipin Babu didn't beat about the bush. Bipin Babu didn't beat about the bush. Means Bipin Babu directly come to the point. What is the meaning of this? Beat about the bush. Beat about the bush. What is the meaning of this?
So not talking unnecessary.
Yes. Not talking unnecessary, directly coming to the point. ठीक है? Directly coming to the point. Coming to the point. तो बिपिन बाबू ने कहा, डायरेक्टली ही कम टू द पॉइंट एंड सेड, लिसन चुन्नी, आई वांट टू आस्क यू समथिंग। आई वांट टू आस्क यू समथिंग। यू हैव अ गुड मेमोरी। हाँ, you have a good memory and you have been seeing me off for a long time also. Okay, you have a good memory and you are knowing me from a long time. Okay, just throw your mind back, थोड़ा अपने दिमाग को पीछे करो and tell me Did I go to Ranchi in 58? So he is saying, did I went there at Ranchi? Now he is asking to whom? Chunni Lal. Chunni Lal. Did I went in 1958 Ranchi? Chunni said 58. It must have 58 or it was what it was. So he was saying 58 or 59.
So he's confused.
He is confused. You are sure that I did go to Ranchi? Now he is asking let it be यार 58 और 59 जो भी कुछ हो, तुम तो ये बताओ कि मैं रांची गया था कि नहीं गया था. Okay?
Yes.
Bipin directly what he did about the books. Directly come to the point that you just tell me whether I was in Ranchi or not. Chunni's look was amazement was not unmixed with worry. He was very he was surprised. He was surprised that why this Bipin is asking. Okay, they are full of surprise. Do you mean you have doubts about having gone at all? He is saying you have चुनीलाल सिंह आप ये कह रहे हो कि आपको डाउट है कि आप वहां गए थे कि नहीं गए थे. Did I go? He said left it यार. Just tell me whether I went or not. फालतू की बातें मत करो, सिर्फ ये बताओ कि मैं गया था कि नहीं गया था. Do you remember clearly? क्या तुम्हें याद है? Chunni sat down on the sofa. Now Chunni sat down on the sofa. He sat down on the sofa, fixed Bipin Babu with a long hard stare and said, Bipin, you had taken to drugs or something? He sat on the sofa and he stared the Bipin. Bipin, have you taken some drugs? कोई ड्रग व्रग तो नहीं ले लिया तुमने? As far as I know, जहां तक मैं जानता हूँ, as far as I know you had a clean record. You have a clean record. You never took this what drugs. You have never took this drug. As far as Chunni, he never took drug before. Okay, understood? You want to say something? As far as you had a clean record. Where such things were concerned, जहां तक ये सब चीजों की बात है तो तुमने कभी ड्रग्स तो लिया नहीं. I know that old friendship don't mean much to you. I know that old friendship don't mean much to you. मतलब you don't give importance to your old friends. Okay, but at least you had a good memory. पर मुझे जहां तक याद है कि तुम्हारे पास अच्छी मेमोरी है. Okay? हाँ. You cannot really mean that you have forgotten about the Ranchi trip. पर इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि तुम रांची ट्रिप भी भूल जाओ. Okay? You cannot really mean, मतलब we cannot accept from you that you forget the Ranchi trip. Okay? He's saying that yes, you were in the Ranchi, or how can you forget these things? Okay? Bipin Babu had to turn away from Chunni's incredible stare. Do you remember what was my last job was? Asked Chunni Lal. Now Chunni Lal is asking, अच्छा tell me one thing. Do you remember what was my last job? What my last job was? Chunni is asking to Bipin. Of course, you worked in a travel agency. He is saying, of course, I know that you worked in a travel agency before to that. Oh.
So what is the meaning of incredulous?
Incredulous. Where it is written?
About the travel agency.
Okay, let me see. Bipin Babu, do you remember last job? What travel job? I can't remember. I was. In which line it is written?
Sir.
Yes, I got it. Bipin Babu had to turn away from Chunni's incredulous stare. Okay, incredulous stare means different looking. Okay,
Incredible.
not it is comes from incredible. Yes, unbelievable. Yes, incredulous comes from incredible. It is similar to that. Okay, incredulous stare means unbelievable look. Okay. So he said that you worked at travel agency. You remember that? You don't remember that it was I who picked it. अच्छा, उसने कहा कि तुम्हें ये तो याद है कि मैं ट्रेवल एजेंसी में काम करता था, लेकिन तुम्हें ये याद नहीं है कि तुम्हारे लिए रांची की टिकट किसने बुक की. I who fixed you अब रेलवे बुकिंग फॉर रांची. I went to the station. मैंने आप तुम्हें स्टेशन में छोड़ा भी था. I went to the station to see of one of fans in the your compartment was not working. तुम्हारा एक फैन काम नहीं कर रहा था. Of your one of the fan of your compartment was not working. तो मैंने क्या किया? I got an electrician. मैंने एक इलेक्ट्रीशियन बुलवाया और उसको सही करवाया. I got fix it. Okay? Have you? Yes? Have you forgotten everything? मतलब तुम क्या सब कुछ भूल गए? Have you forgotten everything? Whatever is the matter with you, तुम्हारे साथ क्या हो गया है? You don't look too well. You didn't look too well. तुम अच्छे नहीं दिख रहे हो. You know, Bipin Babu sighed and shook his head. He is now saying yes. उसको भी ऐसा लग रहा था कि शायद ये सही बोल रहा है. Okay? So he is saying I have been working too hard. He is saying मैं कुछ ज़्यादा ही काम कर रहा हूँ लगता है आजकल. Bipin is saying I have been working too hard. He said at last that must be a reason. हो सकता है ये कारण हो. Must see about consulting a specialist. Now he decided to consult a doctor about a specialist. Now he decided to meet a doctor. Everyone is getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Doubtless it was Bipin's condition which made Chunilal leave without mentioning anything about a job. Okay? Doubtless it was Bipin's condition which made Chunilal leave without mentioning anything about a job. So that this was the मतलब बिपिन का प्रॉब्लम देख करके वो चुनीलाल अपनी प्रॉब्लम भूल गया. ओके. हाँ. Paresh Chanda was a young physician. Now they went to young physician. Okay. Paresh Chanda. The another character was Paresh Chanda. He was a doctor, young physician. Okay. What was his name? Paresh Chanda. Remember the name. Okay. Otherwise, if the question will ask, we will confuse who is Paresh Chanda. Okay. He was a young physician with a pair of bright eyes. He was having a pair of bright eyes and sharp nose. He became the thoughtful when he heard about Bipin's symptoms. Look, Dr. Chanda, said Bipin Babu desperately, you must cure me with this horrible illness. I cannot tell you how it's affecting my work. Now Bipin is saying, please doctor, make me out of from this mess. Please cure me. मेरी तबीयत ठीक करो. और आपको नहीं पता कि मुझे कितनी प्रॉब्लम हो रही बीमारी के वजह से. ओके. तो ही इज सेइंग that I cannot tell you how it's affecting my work. ये मेरे काम को कितना प्रभावित कर रहा है. तो मुझे जल्दी से जल्दी क्या करो, ठीक करो प्लीज. हाँ. Cure my this horrible illness. Okay, what is horrible? Yeah, very बहुत ज्यादा भयानक. Dr. Chanda shook his head. What he did? Shook his head. Okay. He said, you know. Now what Chanda is saying, you know what Mr. Chaudhary, I said I have never had to deal with case such as yours. He is saying I have never seen such case as yours. Bipin Chaudhary. He is saying to Bipin Chaudhary that look Mr. Chaudhary, one thing that I want to tell you, I had never been such case like yours. Frankly, this is quite outside my field of experience. He is saying this is the outside of my field. मतलब this is not in my course. Okay, outside to my field. But I have one suggestion. पर मेरे पास एक suggestion है आपके लिए. But I have one suggestion for you. I don't know if it will work or not. He says that I don't know whether it will work or not. But it's worth try. It can do no harm. मतलब ये सही रहेगा. You can try and it will no harm for you. It cannot harm. इसमें कोई बुराई नहीं है. Okay? You can try it. It is worth good. Worth. What is the meaning of worth? Yes? No, worth means not harm. It's important. Worth. Important. Very worth thing means important thing. मतलब ये आपके फायदे के लिए होगा. It's worthy. Worth. You know worth. Worthy. Yes. Cost. It will be good for you. Okay. It will be good for you. It can do no harm. But it can do no harm. ये आपको नुकसान नहीं करेगा. आप ये काम कर सकते हो. Okay. बिपिन बाबू learned forward anxiously. Okay. तो चिंता से उसने देखा. Okay. What is the meaning of this? buried. Yes. And anxiously. What it pronounced?
Anxiously.
Okay, anxiously. So he looked to from Bari. Okay, he looked in Bari to doctor. Okay, Bipin Babu looked in Bari to doctor. As far as I can make out, said Dr. Chanda, जहाँ तक मैं मतलब समझ पा रहा हूँ, as far as I can make out, and I think you are of the same opinion. You are also thinking the same which I am thinking. Okay, Chanda is saying you must have been to Ranchi, means you should go to the Ranchi. Okay, who is saying, Chanda is saying एक चीज हो सकता है कि आप रांची वापस से जाओ और वापस से आप हाँ रिकलेक्ट द मेमोरीज. हो सकता है वो सब देख के आपको क्या हो जाए, चीजें याद आ जाए. ओके, बट ड्यू टू सम अननोन रीजंस द इंटायर एपिसोड हैज स्लिप्ड आउट ऑफ योर माइंड. मतलब ही सेइंग that you forget that entire episode of Ranchi. Okay, what I suggest is that you go to the Ranchi once again. Okay, he suggesting that you go to the Ranchi once again. The site of the place may remind you of your trip. Means the site, the places, the venue of the places, जब आप देखोगे तो हो सकता है आपको याद आ जाए. Okay, may remind your trip. This is not impossible. और ये ऐसा भी नहीं कि असंभव भी नहीं. You can go to the Ranchi, no problem. Train is there, you can go, no problem. More than that I cannot do at that moment. Doctor is saying इससे ज्यादा तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता, बस मेरे पास इतनी ही है. और क्या कर सकता हूँ मैं? I am prescribing a nerve tonic. He is saying that I am prescribing a nerve tonic. एक दवाइयाँ दे देता हूँ मैं, एंड एक ट्रैंकुलाइजर दे देता हूँ. व्हाट इज ट्रैंकुलाइजर? ट्रैंकुलाइजर हाँ मेडिसिन टू रिड्यूस स्ट्रेस, और ट्रैंकुलाइजर भी एक ऐसे ही मेडिसिन होता है. ओके, तो ट्रैंकुलाइजर और ये टॉनिक देने को उसने कहा, किसने कहा? डॉक्टर ने. और ये भी कहा कि आप वहाँ एक बार चले जाओ वापस से रांची में, तो यू में रिकलेक्ट योर मेमोरी. ओके, स्लीप इज एसेंशियल. ही इज सेइंग स्लीप इज एसेंशियल, सोना बहुत जरूरी है. ओके, और द एसेंशियल मींस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हाँ, or the symptoms will get more pronounced. Otherwise if you don't sleep your symptom will get more pronounced. मतलब और ज्यादा आ जाएगा. प्रोनाउंस मतलब होता है दोबारा और ज्यादा बढ़ जाएगी समस्या. क्या हो जाएगी? प्रोनाउंस मींस योर प्रॉब्लम विल गो ऑन इंक्रीजिंग. इफ यू डू नॉट स्लीप योर प्रॉब्लम विल गो ऑन इंक्रीजिंग. Bipin Babu felt somewhat better the next morning. Now Bipin Babu felt better. गोली दवाई वगैरह whatever he took it. After that he slept at night and in the morning he felt something better. After breakfast he rang up his office. He called to his office. After breakfast gave some instruction to the office. Then procured a first class ticket for Ranchi for the same evening. And what he did, he took a first class ticket for Ranchi and go for Ranchi. है ना, रांची के लिए चला ही गया. चलो ऐसा करते हैं, लेट्स फिनिश इट. नहीं पॉसिबल नहीं, आज फिनिश तो नहीं हो पाएगा, तो क्वेश्चन ऐसा कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, लेट्स डू द क्वेश्चन. हु वाज चुन्नी लाल? रेज योर हैंड. यस, Chunilal was a friend of whom? Bipin Babu. He was a classmate. Yes, sit down. Yes.
Sir, Chunilal is a school friend of Bipin Babu, and he used to come always to in search of job.
Yes, very good. Yes.
So Chunilal was his classmate who always to search for jobs and
Always used to come to make him irritate. Okay. Yes, you.
Chunilal is a friend of Bipin Babu, comes to job and irritate the Bipin Babu.
And always used to irritate the
Bipin Babu.
Yes. और कौन था? हाँ, yes.
Sir, Bipin Babu was a friend of
Chunilal was a
and he comes in the search of job and irritating.
okay. Sit down, irritating Bipin Babu. Yes, you.
Chunilal was a friend of Bipin Babu and he was always come for a job.
Okay.
Search of job.
Okay, sit down. Yes.
So Chunilal is a friend of Bipin Babu and he comes for some work and irritate the Bipin Babu.
Okay, yes, you. Try to speak. So many students have answered. Yes.
So Chunilal was the friend of Bipin Babu. He wants a job from
No, he wanted a job for himself. Chunilal wanted a job for himself. That's why he used to come here at Bipin Babu's house and say, please arrange some jobs for me. Yes, and always irritate him because he was knowing that he was a penny of what? खोटा सिक्का था. वो जानता था कि he was a bad penny. He cannot do anything. Then also he always used to come there and arrange some job for me. He was used to say and irritate Bipin. Okay, sit down. Now next question. Why was Dr. Chandra puzzled? What was unusual about Bipin Babu's loss of memory? Yes. Why he was puzzled, Dr. Chandra?
So Dr. Chandra was a physicist and
Yes, Dr. Chandra was
physicist
हाँ physicist ठीक है.
and Chaudhary has gone to that doctor
Okay.
to know about his problem and
Okay.
what had happened. And one thing about it, Bipin loss of memory that he cannot remember that one accident.
Yes. So why he was puzzled? What he said, Chandra? No, he says that in 25 years of my practice, I have never seen this type of case where a person remember all those things but forgetting single instance.
Single thing.
Yes, you sit down.
So he never got this type of case in his whole
25 year of yes.
25 years is not a part of physics.
No, he said that 25 साल में अभी तक मुझे ऐसा कभी केस नहीं हुई. Who said this? Chandra said ना?
Dr. Chandra.
Who said this 25 year?
Dr. Chandra.
Or it said by other one?
So it's said by other.
Okay, it may be some other. Oh, he said that I have never seen this type of case. Okay,
Case in his experience.
in his experience. Okay, let's proceed.
What was unusual? Sir, I don't understand. What is the
Unusual. What was unusual about Bipin Babu's loss of memory? So, what was unusual thing? मतलब what was different? मतलब people use people loses their memory. It happens with everyone. मतलब
but he lost the specific part of
particular one movement he lost. It was something strange, something unusual. Okay, sit down. Anyone more one? Yes, you want to say something? Why was Dr. Chandra puzzled?
Dr. Chandra was and he never found these cases before 25 years.
Okay.
And he said Bipin Babu to go Ranchi for remembering his memory.
Okay. This sit down. This 25 was explained by Bipin Babu. Bipin Babu ने कहा था कि मैंने 25 साल में मुझे ऐसा कभी हुआ नहीं. हाँ, तो ये 25 साल उसने कहा था. किसने? बिपिन बाबू. डॉक्टर ने नहीं कहा था. ओके, डॉक्टर ने सिर्फ इतना कहा था कि अभी तक मैंने ऐसा केस
नहीं देखा.
Okay, you can go to the washroom. I am also going. Okay. So these questions, oral comprehensions by your own. Okay.
Yes.
And let me check. Okay.
Yes.
Try to write the answers. Okay, by your own, not by copying somewhere.
Yes.
Okay.